Hey everybody, welcome to Peaceful Harbor Church. My name's Christian. I am youth pastor. Also, we work with the worship team. And today we're going to be installing some new speakers for our church. Ours are about 22 years old. And Yorkvilles, they've lasted. However, it's a new season. It's time for these to be taken down. I believe we possibly have a cracked woofer, and we're going to be installing new mains as well as some monitors. We didn't go top of the notch, just because two out of the four of us for the band are actually using IEMs. The other one is using a personalized monitor, and we're going to go with some smaller monitors rather, to take up less stage volume and take up as well as less stage presence. So today the goal is to get these installed, possibly tomorrow as well. I'll just tell you what we got. We have Alto TS315s for the mains that's going up. They're powered. We're going to be replacing Yorkvilles. I'll have to get the model number later on in the video to kind of explain to you what that is. But we are essentially getting rid of those, and then we're going from CGM 12 monitors, which are really know nothing about. They're just kind of a standard wedge, and we're switching over to just some custom 10-inch monitors, non-powered, and that's going to be about it, guys. Hey everybody, so end of day one, I'm going to try to show you what we got accomplished. Not really a lot, it seems like, but essentially, here we go. Let's see if I can switch over here. All right, so for starters, we got one speaker hung. Got to run a couple cables behind it. What we're going to do there is we ran all the cables instead of having them coming from the ceiling right there, that little tiny hole, and having two cables running there. Focus, it's not going to though. What we did is we ran them through a hole right there in the side of the thing. That was quite a project. We actually had to use the sky jack to actually get everything done, and ran quite a bit of speaker cable up through the wall, run it that way, and then over here we're going to do the same thing. It won't be quite as hard because there's actually a walkway there, so we can actually get to it. That being said, end of day one, and hoping that all this is finished. So I just wanted to tell you about what you're fixing to hear. This is the reference audio mic from our X32, so that way you could kind of hear what the original sound sounded like, and when we get the new speakers fully installed, you will hear a reference of what it's going to sound like.